Hey, 7th grade students and families. My name is Mr. Hildebrand. I teach world history for the Orange team. You're probably getting emails from me every Friday with our announcement page. This is what it looks like. I just want to kind of show you how to navigate it in case you have questions. So when it pops up, the most helpful thing to do if you can on your device is hit present. I'll just make a full screen. Okay. This is all the potential 7th grade teachers that your student might have or you might have on your schedule, but you got to double check it with your schedule. Okay. For example, we've got multiple English teachers, multiple math teachers, a couple different reading teachers, a couple different creative arts teachers. So you got to check to see if the teacher you're clicking on is on your schedule. Because if they're not your teacher, you're going to be wasting your time if you click on them. Okay. So for example, you have Mr. Hildebrand, that's me. Okay, you want to know what's going on in world history, and all of you do have me. Okay, click on that. It'll take you to my slide. A lot of teachers are very similar. They have links to their Zoom. Okay, see my history lesson link to Zoom right there. Has my password, Caesar. Okay, tells you what time to get on if you're a core student. Tells you what time to get on if you are a hybrid student. It has a link to my Canvas page where all the work and links are posted. It gives kind of an update on what we're working on. So a lot of teachers are very similar. If you want to go back to the main page, just click up here in the right-hand corner. Back to main page. Okay, then you can start all over. Okay, let's say you want to go to Miss Bryant's page. Okay, same thing. Check it out. Her Canvas page here. Her live lessons link is there. It has some work that you're working on, what time the hybrid lesson is, what time the core lesson is. Okay. Now, if you're a little bit more confused, you're like, hey, well, what about some weekly announcements, or what about the schedules? When do I get on all these classes? Click here, this little easel thing down here. The core and hybrid schedules. Okay, if you click on that, it's going to take you to a link, a PDF. This has, if you're a hybrid student, this is your schedule. Okay, this is when you sign on to your classes. Now, the links for those classes, remember, you're going to have to go to these announcements pages. Okay, if I click back to main page, if you want to go to my Zoom class, you're not sure when it is, remember the link's right there, password's right there. I have it posted here. But let's pretend that you were, let me get rid of that, back out on this again. Okay? And you're wondering, hey, when do I go to class? Well, here's the times, here's what class you're going to, check your schedule, make sure you have those classes, and then go back to the announcements page, click on the teacher, okay, go to their slides, you can find the link. Okay? If you're a core student, same thing. Your schedule just looks a little different. Okay, follow this schedule. Go to that teacher's page to find their link. All right. Now, another thing you'll notice is if you click on this, you can find those schedules again. But then there's also announcements for the Orange team. Okay. So the most important thing is there's the schedules to let you know what class you're supposed to be at when, and then let's say that we wanted to find our way to our creative arts class. Okay, click on creative arts, right? Mr. Carpenter, let's say we have business. Okay, click on his. It's not working right now. And click on Miss Forgus. Okay, there we go. We have her Canvas. Okay, and her Zoom links and all that stuff. So that's kind of how you navigate that. You can always click this to go back to the main page.